4 phase of bacterial growth. First is lag phase. Makikita naman natin sa chart, mababa pa siya, di ba? Isang straight pa lang. Kasi, lag phase, during the initial phase, bacteria adapt to their environment. But there's no significant increase in their population. Ibig sabihin, hindi pa sila dumadami. Kumbaga, ina-adapt pa lang nila yung environment. Sa exponential phase, makikita natin sa exponential phase is, umangat siya ng sobrang taas. Kasi, exponential phase, in this phase, bacteria experience rapid and exponential growth as they reproduce at their maximum rate under favorable condition. Dito mataas na siya, 'di ba? Ibig sabihin dumadami na yung bacteria. Kumakalat na. 'Yon. Stationary phase. The growth rate slows down and the number of new bacteria being produced equals the number of bacteria dying. Nutrient depletion and waste accumulation contribute this phase. Dito, makikita naman natin sa chart is isang straight siya, 'di ba? Kasi nga, ang sabi dito, the number of new bacteria being produced equals the number of bacteria dying. Pag may namatay na bacteria, may papalit sa kanya. Ganun lang, kaya isang straight siya. Sa death phase, ano yung word na death phase? Dito is, eventually, the bacteria's population start to decline as conditions become inhospitable due to resource depletion and the buildup of toxic waste products. Dito is nababawasan na yung bacteria kasi unti-unti na siyang namamatay. Ganun lang siya. Halimbawa na lang, sa party, sa loob, pag wala ng tao, ibig sabihin lahat napagod. Ganun din yung bacteria, syempre. Namamatay din sila. Nauubos din. Pag hindi na nila ma-adapt ng maayos yung environment na inaanoan nila. Ganun lang. Yun lang. Thank you.